I kind of fell in love with aircraft in general and like the history of planes.
I live like in between an airport and a marine base, so I always saw like planes and helicopters flying over, so I just got interested on how they worked.
I've always liked airplanes ever since I was a kid, so I would always try to keep up with the newest and latest airplanes.
I heard about aviation mechanics class towards the end of 9th grade when we were working on scheduling, and it really caught my eye.
I realized they were doing a class here, and I was like, that's cool.
In our Mechanic 1 class, our students are learning basic aerodynamics, aviation math, aircraft physics, and weight and balance. My second year students are into all the different tools, how we make metal, how to clean the different materials, as well as prevent corrosion from occurring on the aircraft.
I would definitely recommend this class. It's been a lot of fun with hands-on projects, and the teacher's been really cool. And I've also been enjoying the field trip, and I feel like I've been learning a lot this year.
Definitely go for it. It's really fun here. It's not like a normal class where you have a lot of homework. It's mostly all hands-on.
So the growth rate in aviation is higher than we've ever seen it before. Airlines are now frantically looking for these aircraft mechanics. Standard pay, for the most part, starting out with a company like Boeing, you'll start out roughly about $30 an hour. But that's not where it stops. Most companies, within 5 to 7 years, you can actually make over $100,000 as an aircraft mechanic.
All my friends, they said they would go to Nova and then go on from there. I didn't really know what I wanted to do. I was kind of just like going with it and see what would happen. So I guess this kind of has brought direction to what I want to do in the future.
I was thinking about being a marine biologist, but I changed my plans. I'm now thinking about going into aviation maintenance, doing avionics, maybe even becoming a commercial pilot.
I can learn how to work on the airplanes, and maybe when I get a little bit older, I can fly or something along the aviation field. That would be amazing.
This type of curriculum helps get them another leg further into an aviation career, and the airlines are always hiring.